Welcome to the Best Picks. The Best Patio Brush is probably one of the most versatile and effective tools you can add to your outdoor cleaning arsenal, designed to tackle stubborn weeds, moss, and dirt that accumulate on your patio, deck, or driveway, making those tedious chores significantly easier and faster. Number 5. Sun Joe SPX 3000 Electric Pressure Washer. Introducing the Sun Joe SPX 3000, your ultimate solution for tackling tough dirt and grime. Experience powerful cleaning that makes any task effortless. With up to 2030 psi and multiple spray options, it's perfect for homes, driveways, vehicles, and more. Easily switch between cleaning modes for optimal results. Its durable construction, featuring a stainless steel lance and brass fittings, ensures it can handle everyday cleaning needs. This tool is built to last. Take your cleaning to the next level with the dual detergent tank system. Store and switch between two cleaning solutions for customized power on any surface. Choose the smart, reliable, and affordable option for all your outdoor cleaning. It's designed to make your home maintenance tasks simpler and more effective. From Joe Brands, a leader in innovative home tools. This powerful washer is part of a range designed to help you maintain your home, yard, and garage with ease. What we like. If you have tough grime on your home's exterior or vehicles, this is the tool for you. Its high-pressure output and multiple spray tips allow for versatile cleaning. The dual detergent tanks mean you can tackle different cleaning jobs without constant refilling, making it ideal for comprehensive outdoor cleaning tasks. What people say. This brush is great for cleaning patio furniture and also for weeding between the patio stones. The brush is sturdy and the weeder attachment is very effective at removing weeds from tight spaces. Number 4. Sun Joe TJ604E Electric Garden Tiller and Cultivator. Introducing the Sun Joe TJ604E, a powerful electric tiller designed to make soil preparation a breeze. Its robust 13.5 amp motor effortlessly tills up to 16 inches wide and 8 inches deep, ensuring efficient results for your lawn and garden. Equipped with 6 rust-proof, steel-angled tines, this corded electric tiller is built for durability. You can rely on its long-lasting performance season after season for all your tilling needs. Designed with gardeners and homeowners in mind, its compact size and folding handle make storage and transport incredibly easy. It's the perfect solution for smaller gardening spaces and yards. Achieve optimal depth and control with its 3-position adjustable wheels. This feature allows you to easily adapt to various soil types and tilling depths, giving you precise command. Experience a cleaner, greener way to garden. This electric tiller operates without the hassle of gas or oil, offering maintenance-free, continuous power thanks to its corded design. What we like. For those looking to prepare garden beds or cultivate soil efficiently, this electric tiller is a great choice. Its powerful motor and durable steel tines break up tough soil with ease. The compact design and folding handle make it perfect for smaller yards or easy storage, simplifying your gardening preparation. What people say. This patio brush and weeder is very effective at removing weeds and moss from between patio pavers. The brush head is wide enough to cover a good area, and the weeder attachment is sharp and precise for getting into tight spots. It's also surprisingly lightweight, making it easy to maneuver around the garden. Number 3. Sun Joe CJ603E Wood Chipper Shredder. Introducing the Sun Joe CJ603E, a powerful wood chipper and shredder designed to handle your yard waste. This electric equipment makes lawn care a breeze. It features a robust 15-amp motor that efficiently chips and shreds branches up to 1.7 inches in diameter. Tackle tough jobs with ease. This model comes complete with a convenient collection bag, making cleanup simple and efficient. Keep your workspace tidy as you work. This is a refurbished product, meaning it has been tested and certified to work perfectly. It may have minor cosmetic blemishes but is fully functional. It arrives with all necessary accessories and is ready to help you manage your lawn care needs. Experience efficient waste shredding today. What we like. If you're dealing with garden debris like branches and leaves, this wood chipper shredder is your solution. It efficiently reduces waste volume with its powerful motor and cutting mechanism. The included collection bag makes cleanup a breeze, perfect for maintaining a tidy yard after pruning or yard work. What people say. The Sun Joe Patio Brush and Weeder is a game changer for outdoor cleaning. It effectively removes dirt, grime, and weeds from various surfaces like patios, driveways, and sidewalks. The brush head is sturdy and durable, designed to tackle tough messes without damaging the surface. Its ergonomic handle ensures comfortable use, even during extended cleaning sessions. The integrated weeder is a brilliant addition, allowing you to easily pull out stubborn weeds from cracks and crevices. This tool has significantly reduced my cleaning time and effort, making my outdoor spaces look pristine. I was impressed by the versatility of the Sun Joe Patio Brush and Weeder. It works wonders on my brick patio, effortlessly clearing away moss and algae. The brush bristles are firm enough to scrub away embedded dirt but gentle enough not to scratch the bricks. The weeder attachment is surprisingly effective at getting into tight spots and removing weeds that have grown in the gaps. It's a well-built tool that feels solid in hand and has made maintaining my patio a breeze. Highly recommend for anyone looking for an efficient outdoor cleaning solution. Number 2. Sun Joe IONMAX Cordless Lawn Care System. Introducing the Sun Joe IONMAX Cordless Lawn Care System, your ultimate solution for a perfectly maintained yard. This versatile system is designed to tackle all your outdoor trimming and cutting needs with ease. Effortlessly switch between a hedge trimmer, pole saw, and grass trimmer to handle any yard task. From shaping bushes to pruning branches and edging grass, it's designed for complete lawn and garden maintenance. Experience unparalleled comfort and control with its lightweight, ergonomic design. The adjustable telescopic pole extends up to 5.3 feet, giving you the reach you need for those hard-to-access areas. Powered by a 2.0 Ah rechargeable battery, it provides efficient performance for medium-sized lawns. Plus, it fully recharges in just about an hour, so you can get back to your tasks quickly. Choose Sun Joe for innovative, high-quality tools that make yard work a breeze. Trust the IONMAX system to help you get the job done right. What we like. For versatile yard maintenance without the hassle of cords, consider this cordless multi-tool kit. It offers a hedge trimmer, pole saw, and grass trimmer in one, adapting to various tasks. Its lightweight and ergonomic design, along with a long-lasting battery, makes it ideal for tackling diverse trimming and cutting jobs around your property with ease. What people say. The Sun Joe Patio Brush and Weeder is a great tool for cleaning up your patio and garden areas. It effectively removes weeds and debris from cracks and crevices, leaving your surfaces looking neat and tidy. The brush is durable and easy to use, making yard work a breeze. Number 1. Sun Joe 24V Cordless String Trimmer Kit. Tackle grass trimming and precise edging with one powerful tool. It's perfect for maintaining your lawn, walkways, and flower beds with clean, sharp lines. Enjoy hassle-free yard work with up to 35 minutes of fade-free runtime. Experience the freedom of no cords, no gas, and no pull starts. Designed for durability, it features a rugged dual-line auto-feed spool and a sturdy rotating head. A protective flower guard defends your tool and garden from damage. With a 12-inch cutting swath and an adjustable head, it's easy to handle. The twist and groom edging function makes yard work a breeze. Joe Brands is dedicated to providing innovative, affordable, and high-quality tools for your home and yard. Get the job done right with the right tool at the right price. What we like. If you need clean, sharp lines for your lawn, walkways, and flower beds, this cordless string trimmer is the perfect fit. It offers both grass trimming and precise edging capabilities with a comfortable, lightweight design. The long-lasting battery ensures you can complete your yard's finishing touches without interruption, making it ideal for maintaining a pristine appearance. What people say. This brush is great for cleaning patio furniture and also for weeding between the pavers. The brush is sturdy and well-made, and it does a good job of removing dirt and debris. It's also very effective at removing weeds from tight spaces. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.